under Buhari here, the issue of electoral transmission came. People that wrote to me, Amaechi, they were in government. They said, no, don't sign. If you sign, you will lose the election. Nobody now talks. And this is the same person now who's coming out to the public to say, look, there should be electronic transmission. But while he was there, he refused. Simply because he felt his boss will be affected. Now, we are here. They did not say there should not be electronic transmission. All they said, in case, and which is likely to be, let us not disenfranchise people by not allowing their vote to be counted. Let us ask ourselves a simple question here. No matter how we claim, you and I complain a lot about internet. We complain a lot. You can imagine, forget about Nigerians. You see, let me tell you, there are those who are lobbying to be Amaechi chairman. They didn't get it. They have come to national television. They talk, you know, I just pity myself. I said, what kind of country is this? What kind of country is this? I am not saying, let's do that. Now, even at that time, no opposition came out to say, no, there must be electronic transmission. Now that's something that wisdom has said, okay, listen, let us take everybody together, everybody's interest. Let there be electronic transmission. But where he faced, he cannot discountenance the votes of these people. And yet we are shouting. And when people say Nigerians, that who are Nigerians? Am I not a Nigerian? No. Are you not a Nigerian? Each time, listen, each time people come out and say Nigerians, that's what I say. Who conducted this referendum? Okay. To say this is what Nigerians want. You see, you have vocal minority. Vocal minority.
But they say have a right to their opinion.
I didn't say that. No, so, my anger with you is that you say Nigerians.
Yeah, they're Nigerians too. They're still Nigerians.
No. If you say some Nigerians, but don't say Nigerians.
But you said yourself Nigerians complain. You didn't say some Nigerians.
No.
You said that Nigerians are professional.
Yes. So let me say why I say so. Let me say why I say so. I say so because it's a reality. Why is it a reality? When this thing came under Buhari's government, that's the point I'm trying to make. Did you come out to say why should you not be there? That's the point I'm trying to make. Now somebody has tried to make a correction. Then you're the one complaining. That's the point I'm making. I think you should praise those who have tried to add something to improve on it.
Okay. Minister, we'll have some other issues before maybe they can go back to politics, but FCT issues. And by the way, I don't complain anymore. I have good internet now, so no more complaints. But about waste management in the FCT.
That's the one before we talk about all this one.
Which one is that? You still want to talk about politics?
All right.
That is the 18 now.
Of course, Minister.
That's the 18 now. You don't let him go through. He's the one, so you don't jump.
Okay. Tell us
that's the part of leadership problem we have in the country. And look at it here now.
Minister, you're gradually joining.
Thank you for Minister.
I have no
Honorable Minister.
Yes, go ahead.
Tell us about the peace process in River State. Have you been able to finalize, as in to ensure that we have lasting peace in that state? Because a lot of people are saying, because of the interest involved, that there's no how that there will always be conflicts between you and Governor Simlai Fubara.
Well, why should I be always the conflict? Do you find out anything that shows that we will not have a lasting peace?
In the last 3 years.
No. Now what you are saying is that something just happened.
Okay.
And then you are now, I'm saying, have you found out anything that suggests to the fact that but we don't think this peace will last? Is there anything you found out?
I've not seen anything.
Fine.
Political interest.
What's the political interest?
Well, as a first-time governor,
yes,
every governor will want to go for second term.
Yeah.
On your part, you have said that you will not allow him to have second term because doing so is to bury you politically.
I didn't say so.
So conflict.
I didn't say so. You see,
Conflict in
please don't say
Are
what
you
I
guys
didn't
good?
say.
No.
All I said is that look, all of us have political interests, right? And that as far as we are concerned, if we allow this, our own political interests would perish, not bury me. Please let us put in the proper perspective. And let me tell you this, the proponents of these problems are you people. Yeah, let me tell you how you are. If I were you, because there's nothing that suggests even you need them to pray that there should be peace. You believe that there should continue to be crisis, but it won't work. What you're looking for will not work that way. That peace has come to the river. As far as I'm concerned, as far as we're concerned, you know what is leadership? Leadership is being able to swallow certain things. Leadership is being able to say, okay, give and take. You can't always be right. You can't. And from what I've seen, I don't think there's any cause for alarm. Except you are telling me there's something I do not know. And that's why I ask you. Maybe because I believe I'm in the wrong. That in your investigation, you may have found out what I do not know. If you're able to tell me here, then that will guide me.
Now, Minister, we actually be asking because persistently you have been on a particular trajectory.